issue जो आशिल्लो relief granted by the government to the trade, industry, economic, general public to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic हो खरो आयच्या हेजो महत्वाचो विशय आशिल्लो. आमी वेगवेगळे रिलीफ जे ग्रांट केल्या ट्रेड, इंडस्ट्री, इकॉनॉमी, जनरल पब्लीक कोविड-19च्या बाबतीत ते सगळे तुमच्या मुखार किंवा लोकांच्या मुखार दवरपा खातीर आज मुद्दामून हांगासर आसा. द फर्स्ट in municipal administration and panchayat hitur all the construction license and permission issued by panchayat municipal bodies which are expiring between 1st March 2020 and 30th June 2020 are deemed to be extended up to 31st October 2020 without payment of any additional fees. हो सगळ्यात व्हडलो रिलीफ म्हणजे सगळे जे लोक कोण घर बांधता बाकीचे कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू आसा म्युनिसिपालिटी एरियेन आसत किंवा पंचायत एरियेन आसत 1 मार्च पासून 2020 पर्यंत ते 30 जून पर्यंत ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक डायरेक्टली आमी तांकां एक्सटेंड केल्ले आसा विदाउट पेईंग एनी फीज. सेकंड, टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग all the technical clearances and development permissions which are expiring between 1st March 2020 and 30 June 2020 are deemed to be extended up to 31st October 2020 without payment of any additional fees. Same gazal town and country planning atla सगळ्या परमिशना खातीर लागू जाता. Transport Department issued by the Ministry of the Road Transport and Highways. Okay, the validity of fitness permit all types, learning license, driving license, registration and any other concerned document whose validity is expiring between 1st February 2020 and 30th of September 2020 are deemed to be valid till 30th September 2020. हाज्यापर्यंत ते valid दवरलेली आसा. Okay, excise. The last date of renewal of excise license has been extended from 31st March 2020 to 30th of June 2020 without any penalty. हाज्या पयलीं ताका पेनल्टी भरची पडटाली ती विदाउट पेनल्टी भरिनासतना आमी एक्सटेंड केल्ले आसा. Industries annual installment towards the land lease premium for the financial year 2020 to 2021 payable to GIDC is deferred. The same can be paid in equated manner in the next 3 years. Equal installmentani फुडल्या 3 वर्सांक ह्या वर्साचो लीज प्रीमियम तेंचो जो आसत हो फुडल्या 3 वर्सांक इक्वल इन्स्टॉलमेंटांनी डिवायड केलो वयतलो. The factories and boilers. To help the factories to deal with the shortage of workers due to the current restrictions, the government has granted the exemption to all the factories, thereby allowing 12 hours working initially for the period of up to 31st July 2020. As a part of initially towards the ease of doing business, government has introduced self-certification scheme for factories and boilers in the state. As per the scheme, the factories shall be inspected only once in a period of 5 years instead of annual with prior intimation. With the view support to existing factories in this current crisis, the government has extended the validity of factory license for the further 1 year with the deferment of the payment of license fees without interest. With the view to boost the manufacturing sector and to facilitate the ease of doing business, the government is in the process of issuing an ordinance to amend the Factories Act 1948 as in force in the state of Goa, wherein the existing threshold limit number of workers for the purpose of the applicability of the said act will be enhancement from the 20 to 10 for the factories with the aid of power and from the 20 to 40 the factories without aid of power. Approval has been already been obtained from the Honorable President of India, being Central Act. Around 160 factories are likely to be benefit from these. Labor Department. The ordinance has been passed to amend the Contract Labor Regulation and Abolition Act 1970 to relax the registration of the establishment contractor employees from 20 to 50 workmen as a contract labor in the previous 12 months. Introduce the self-certification scheme for the shop and commercial establishment in the state to allow the self-certification instead of inspection by labor inspector to create a business-friendly environment. Under the above scheme, the qualifying establishment will not be inspected for the period of 5 years. The government has introduced the centralized inspection module CIM under the ease of doing business. Now the inspection will be random based on the data to reduce the discretion. The inspector of the multiple department will go together for inspection. A portal has launched to allow the notification of job vacancy by the private establishment, government department, autonomous body, educational institution to match the registered job seeker with the prospective employees. So far, the Employment Exchange has been sponsored the name of qualified job seekers to the 19 private companies through the portal. Eighth one is the commercial tax. The government has come up to the one-time settlement scheme covering all the taxation acts for the assessment period up to the year ending 31st March 2016 in case of undisputed assessment for the assessment period up to the year of ending 30th 6 2017, the case of disputed assessment. 100% of the interest and or the penalty waived off in case of undisputed dues. 50% of the areas of tax, interest and or the penalty waived off in case of the disputed dues. The scheme is valid up to the 23rd of November 2020. Cooperative Department. All the loanees of the credit societies are granted 3 months moratorium on the payment of EMI for the period of April to June. Goa Scheduled Tribe Finance Development Corporation and other backward classes corporation. All loanee members are granted 3 months moratorium on the payment of EMI for the period of April to June 2020. Electricity. The late payment surcharge has been waived off for the electricity bills issued with the due date of the payment between 24 March 2020 and 30th of June 2020 if the payment is made by 15th July 2020. Moratorium on a payment of fixed charges is provided to all the industrial and commercial consumers for the bills raised during the period between 24th March 2020 and 30th June 2020, which they can avail if they so desire. These deferred charges shall be recovered in an equated manner over the next 3 bills to be raised after 30th June 2020. PWD, WRD, GSIDCs and other implementing agency. 12th and last one. For all the ongoing work, the period between 25th March 2020 and 30th of June 2020 shall be treated as force majeure for the purpose of reckoning the date of completion. हे 12 तरेचे इकॉनॉमिक मेजर्स आमी ग्रँट केल्ले आसा गव्हर्मेंटान फॉर ऑल ट्रेड, इंडस्ट्रीज, इकॉनॉमिक्स, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आनी जनरल पब्लीक फ्रॉम टू रिकवर फॉर द COVID-19 पॅन्डमिक. तसो पळोवंक गेलो जाल्यार दीस इज ऑल बिझनेस रिलेटेड आसा. सगळे वेगवेगळ्या बिझनेसान आसल्या कारणान नोशनल आमकां थोडोसो आर्थीक भार जो आसा हो सोंसचो पडटलो. बट तेणे करून जी आर्थीक उबारी तांच्या बिझनेसान येतले तांकां आमी बुस्ट दितले ती खूब मोठी आसा ह्या निमित्तान. ताज्या खातीर ती भरून काडपाचो जो विशय आहा तो म्हणजे आमकां डायरेक्टली आमी अमके कडल्यान भरून काडटले असो विशय ना. बट टू गिव द इकॉनॉमिक बूस्ट टू द डिफरंट बिझनेसीस आमी हो घेतलेलो स्टेप आसा.
दुसरे मायनिंगच्या संदर्भात कारण ही सगळी जी आर्थिक तुटवडी निर्माण जातली ही मायनिंगेसून भरून काडपाच्या संदर्भात कितें उपाययोजना केल्या?
मायनिंगेचो विशय अजूनही चालू आहा, सुटावो जावंक ना. आमचो प्रयत्न आसा.